are heading to our lunch. Lunch is included when I book this tour dito sa Tambisaan. Okay, so pabalik na tayo ng tour. Just a quick lunch lang. Sarap naman yung food. But manage your expectation na lang. Ganda dito. Tambisaan Beach, Boracay. Okay, so for the food, may rice, pansit, gulay, chicken curry, barbecue, shrimp, and may juice, parang raspberry, and watermelon. Unlimited siya. So, you may opt to eat again. Kung gusto mo. So, ganda niya. Yeah. That's all I can say. Ganda. Yes. So, going to our last itinerary in Puka Beach. So, swimming, picture taking, and stuff. Meron ditong parang lumang port. Maganda din siya for picture taking. So, try nyo rin dito. Also, bawal mag-swimming kasi may red flag na nakalagay na no swimming. Mukha siyang mababaw, pero most likely malalim siya. And at the same time, yung current niya, hindi pwede. Sarap pa naman mag-swimming. Tingnan nyo. May dalawang visitor din doon sa harap. Punta tayo dun later. More of sightseeing itong place, itong Tambisaan Beach. So, pwede kayong magpa-picture dyan, dito din. And maganda yung location, yung spot ng area. So, although yun lang, again, bawal maligo. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Ay, ayan, ganyan siya pag malapitan. No swimming, pero pwede mag-picture taking. Ayan. Yung una, yan yung boat na sinasakyan natin.
So let me know if you want so that we can provide you the best photographer later. So for now, everybody good night. The back of our boat or in the water. So that island going, oh my God! Oh my God! What boat is here? What boat ko na ikunan ko? What boat is here? Thank you for sharing your blessings. It's really a big thing to our postman. Thank you for sharing. Proceed tayo. Pag-parents birthday. So that island, that's the Carabao Island. So that is part of Romblon Island. Okay, get ready. So we stay here until 10. So 1 hour. 10 back to the cruise ship. 210.
Okay, be careful lang sa medyo matulas. So, medyo tirik lang yung araw ngayon. So, be ready to wear your sunscreen, lalo na sa face and sa body. Kasi ayun, sobrang tirik. Punta tayo doon. Hi! Welcome to the the beach. Need some hookah shells though. Init. It's giving summer vibe. Because it's summer naman talaga. Pwede kayo magpa-picture dito. Photo spot. Pwede ka mag-swim dito. Meron din kayak if you want to try. Doon ako sa kayak earlier. Kaya, just stroll along the beach. Guys, there 800 meters total according to our tour guide. So this is free time. We are given 1 hour to roam around the area. You can take a picture, swim if you like. I think may designated area lang for swimming. Okay, just a little reminder, walang lifeguard on duty, so you have to swim at your own risk. So medyo, I think, malakas yung current. So if you want to try, you may opt to. Pero yun lang, swim at your own risk. So if you wanna go here, you just have to, stroll around, take a picture, and yeah, pa-picture tayo dito. Dito. Picture tayo.
Salagad tayo, sir?
Anong shot?
Baba muna, sir. Tingin dito. 1, 2, 3. And then welcome. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. And then peace. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Then mini heart. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dun, sir. Hawak si shades. Yung kalawang kamay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Pwede dito, kuya.
Apo, sir. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Ganto ka sa Boracay, sir. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. And then peace. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Wait lang, sir. 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you, sir.
Dito, pwede kayo magpa-picture. Donation lang. So, kung magkano yung kaya nibigay. Ito yung mga picture. I'll post it here. Hello! Balik muna tayo sa boat. Ang init. Balik na tayo. So, ito yung last itinerary for today. Island hopping. So, balik na tayo sa boat kasi ang init. So, maganda siya. Bye, kuya! Thank you to the beach. I had fun roaming around the area. So we are now heading back to the main island kasi tapos na yung whole island hopping natin. So if you wanna try this, you can book this through Klook for only 900 pesos per head, excluding the ticket entrance fees sa mga pupuntahan. You may check our episode 2 for the exclusion and inclusion of this particular package. See you there! Ito tayong Demol banda. So we are back here in White Beach. Okay, so today, let's go near the mall. Doon tayo mag-dinner. Hanap tayo ng restaurant or any food. Tapos, antay tayo ng sunset malapit doon. So, since it's already 5:16, medyo may init pa siya. Then, let's go there. Daming tao ngayon. Ganda talaga ng Boracay. Yay! Hanap tayo ng spot near the mall. Maganda lumabas mga around 5:30 para hindi ganun masyadong kainit. But I opt to go early kasi maglalakad pa tayo. By the way, start na daw pala ng La Boracay. No, April 27, I'm not mistaken. 23. So there are some activities going on. Nakainit. So, I put sunscreen. And mukhang-effective naman siya. Yung Megan, you know that. Pakita ko na lang. Ito yung the mall na pala. Yan. So, hanap po na tayo ng spot. We're waiting for the sunset. Since maaga pa naman, pasok na tayo to check. Hanap tayo ng makakainin. Parang pasalubong center ata itong area ng the mall. Under left side. Look for good. It seems like iba yung nakita natin instead na restaurant. So, yan. Yung mga laruan. Mga figurines. So, dito lang siya sa dulo ng the mall. Dito niyo siya makikita. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga toys, mga figurines, anime. So, si partner mahilig dyan. May nakita tayo. Yung favorite ng partner ko. Miss, magaling ka na to.
Ay, isang set po kasi yun sa music.
Sailor.
Oo, 1,050 po apat. Ah, ito po sa 1, 2, 3, 4,
Lima.
5. Opo.
1,050.
Opo.
Matawag po yung card.
Cash yun.
Cash lang. Okay, sige.
Ganda eh. Ganda yan pag sa ano, parang may ganito mo tapos ipapaupo mo lang sila sa harap.
Kaya nga. We will buy this one for my
Pero
partner.
wala po siyang box.
Okay lang. Ah. Yeah. Okay, habol tayo sa sunset. Instead of looking where to eat, iba yung nabili ko. So, for my partner. Collection niya. So, for sure, magugustuhan niya yun. Again, yeah. Okay, habol tayo for sunset. It's 5:30. Habol tayo. After sunset viewing, hanap na lang tayo ng makakainan. So habol muna tayo para at least makita natin ang pinakamagandang sunset. Isa sa pinakamagandang sunset sa buong mundo. Okay. Habol lang tayo. Ayan, may natatanong ako, MI budget meal. Pwede din dyan. Sige, check natin later. Oh, we're almost here. Napaka-intricate ng paggawa nila ng Boracay Sandcastle. Look oh. Very detailed talaga dapat. So, don't touch. Tingin lang. No touch. Okay. So we're here. Malapit sa may uptown. Dito na lang tayo until na sunset. Tayo tayo ng sunset. Tomorrow na tayo mag-swim in the morning around 6 a.m. Tomorrow din yung check-out natin. And I'll be heading to my father's and mother's hometown in Bayang to celebrate my Lola's 100th birthday. Happy birthday, Lola! Actually, tapos na. Noong April 100th birthday. So, this coming April 29 ang celebration. Yeah. Fairness ha, dun sa Megan sunscreen. And lapit na mag-sunset. Mag-timelapse tayo. So beautiful. Actually, yesterday maganda din. That is so beautiful. Tapos na. So beautiful. Ganda ng sunset ng Boracay. We'll just stay here for a little bit, like 5 minutes. Mga 5 minutes muna tayo antay. Enjoy the view, chill mode, and hanap tayo ng food. Bye! Look, it's 6:30 in the evening. Ang ganda niya pa. (6:30), wala pa ako napipiling restaurant or kakainan. Hopefully meron na. Gutom na ako. Ganda. Ay, ganda oh. Actually, madilim na. Hanap po na tayo. Food. Gutom na ako. Go! Ay, naglalakad ako. Papunta ng Station 3. Hanap tayo ng food. Makakainan. Medyo gutom na rin. Hanap tayo ng abot kamay lang. Abot kamay na budget. Jerry's Grill. Hanap tayo ng local food. Or yung bago sa pallet. Okay, so may napili na tayo. El Centro, Istamar. Ako masarap na lang. So, if you want to consider,
No, she pays for everything. Don't let her fool you. You see her pull the money out.
cost na lang. Parang gusto kong mag-pasta. Kasi favorite ko ang pasta.
Don't lie to them. She won the lottery last year. She's a good guy.
Okay, pili muna tayo. Pili muna tayo. Pagdating tayo.
Big drive. Salesman, I like that.
Chicken na laki. Chicken na laki. Available. Tapos, coke na lang. Anong coke? Yung regular.
I just told her, I was like, well, she's gonna come back.
Dito tayo sa
Is that it? I like to listen to tech.
I'm so tired.
I want to see.
Ayun with rice.
Yeah.
Yung paad na lang na rice.
Isang plain rice.
Damn, I thought that was a tech. Just like one.
Okay, so later I'll let you know. You may try here. Ang ganda. Hello. Hi, look. Sobrang laki niya. For solo. Let's eat. Try natin. Guys, medyo madami. Dikit natin ng hostel. So, dadaling ko na lang siya. Walking. See you! Never miss an update. Hit subscribe, like, follow, share, and click the notification bell if you had fun watching.